Hi guys, once again welcome back to my makeup channel. So as you all knows that Nykaa Pink Friday sale is going on. So in today's video I would giving some recommendations. So let's begin the video. Moving on our first product, the first product I would recommending is this Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this palette is so beautiful. The cost of this palette is $9.50. All neutral shades are available here, and the shades of this palette are so pigmented. If you will purchase this single palette, then its cost is rupees $9.50. But in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, you can get the combo of these two palettes at just rupees $9.50. So go for this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. I just love this palette. Go for this palette. So moving on, our next product is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is so nice concealer, guys. This is full coverage concealer. This concealer gives full coverage on your dark circles. It doesn't look cakey. This is so nice concealer. I would highly recommend this, guys. Go for it. The cost of this concealer is $6.20. It is quite expensive, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, you can get this concealer at discount price. You can get this product at just rupees $4.65. Guys, go and purchase this concealer. So my next recommendation is this brand new Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. Guys, believe me, this is best foundation. This is full coverage foundation, and this foundation covers all your dark circles and dark spots. So guys, I would highly recommend this. Go for this foundation. This is best foundation for Indian skin tone. I am using shade number 310 Sun Beach, and the original cost of this product is $5.49, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale you can get this product at discount at just rupees $275. So guys, go and purchase this product. I would highly recommend this foundation. This is best foundation. So guys, moving on to our next product. My next product is this. These are Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipsticks. These are so nice lipsticks. These lipstick gives creamy matte texture on your lips, and these are long lasting lipsticks. The cost of each lipstick is $300, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale you can purchase this lipstick at just rupees $150. You can also get the combo of these lipstick at just rupees $300. If you will purchase combined combo of these lipsticks, its cost will be $600, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale you can purchase the combo of these lipsticks at just rupees $300. So guys, go for these lipstick. Purchase these Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick. Guys, the next product I would recommending you is this Swiss Beauty Shimmer Bricks. As you can see, both shimmer shades and blush shades are available here. So it is a nice palette, and it is large palette. The cost of this Swiss Beauty Shimmer Brick is $7.49, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale you can get this palette at just rupees $6.35. So guys, I would highly recommend this palette. Go for this palette. This is also best palette, best shimmer palette. So go for this palette. So guys, moving on to our next product. So my next product is this. This is L'Oreal Kajal. Its original cost is $290, but in Nykaa Pink Friday sale you can get this Kajal at just rupees $235. It is waterproof Kajal, long lasting Kajal. So guys, go and purchase this Kajal. This is best Kajal. So I would highly recommend this. Go for this. So guys, moving on to our next product. So the next product I would recommending you is this brand new Nykaa blush. As you can see, both pinkish shade and brownish shades are available here. So this blush is best for your party look, for your college look. So guys, go for this blush palette also. I would highly recommend this. This is best blush palette. Recommendations from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So if you guys will like my channel, so guys, like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, bye bye. I will back soon with my new video. Khuda Hafiz.